Okay, so it's Luxury Fred, and I am here in Paris at the beautiful, at the fabulous Shangri-La, Paris. And we're gonna go inside and stay here. Here we go. Okay, so we are here at the beautiful Shangri-La, Paris. As you can see, they are decorated for the holidays. And here we are.
Welcome, Mr. Sherman.
Thank you.
Welcome to your home.
Thank you. Always nice to come back to the Shangri-La. Okay, so it's Luxury Fred, and we've arrived in Paris at our first stop, the Shangri-La, Paris, and look at the view from the window. That's right, or from our princess balcony. It's La Tour Eiffel, the Eiffel Tower, and the Seine, and that's L'Invalide, Napoleon's tomb over there, and we have a big Ferris wheel down there. So beautiful night view of Paris here from the Shangri-La, and that's La Défense neighborhood over there. So let's give you a tour. So this is what's called an Eiffel Tower view room here at the Shangri-La, and we have beautiful latrice there. Shangri-La was nice enough to send up some champagne and macaroons, two of my favorite things, and oranges and roses. So we have a comfortable bed. I love how the Shangri-La, you have a very similar style and furniture. I just got back a couple weeks ago from staying at the Shangri-La in Singapore. And the design, the style, the furnishings, the things like that are very similar, although kind of more French here, but that same kind of style. So we have a big, comfortable bed over here. We have a nice couch. In here is the mini bar and refrigerator and things like that. Coffee and tea and other snacks. An espresso machine, work desk with actually, presents from the Shangri-La. I like it. Then we have the entry area here where we have safe and some storage space there. On the other side, we have a big closet. Kind of your standard closet stuff, and then a very nice, luxurious bathroom here with a nice big bathtub. Separate shower and toilet area behind there. And luxury latrice. So once again, Luxury Fred here in beautiful Paris at the beautiful Shangri-La, Paris, admiring the view of the Eiffel Tower from our room. Okay, so it's Luxury Fred, and I'm here at the Shangri-La in Paris, and Couture from the Shangri-La has brought us up some jasmine tea, which is kind of a signature of all the Shangri-La properties, and it's a good way to relax and enjoy the environment once you finally arrive at the hotel. Thank you. Thank you. Delicious. Okay, so I wanted to take a little closer look at the bathroom here at the Shangri-La, Paris. So first we have a beautiful deep soaking tub. And something that's important for a hotel that gives you a beautiful bathtub like this is they also give you a little tin of bath salts, so you can actually have a nice bath. Over here, we have something that I love in Europe. This is a towel warmer. So this keeps the towels warm. So after you take your bath, you get out, you have a nice hot towel. Got some nice robes to wear here. And a lot of people always ask me about the amenities and stuff like that in the bathrooms of these luxury hotels. So here at the Shangri-La, you can see that we have Bulgari amenities. We have Bulgari soap there. We have a little TV in the mirror. And this is the Shangri-La fragrance. And this is used throughout the hotel. There was a little one of these in the elevator, in the lobby. And the cool thing is, every Shangri-La hotel around the world, I think there's 30 or something like that, uses this same fragrance. And so wherever you go, no matter what city you're in, it gives you that familiar feeling and that kind of homey feeling because you recognize the smell. Also, every Shangri-La, except in cities where there are two Shangri-Las, every Shangri-La has a Shang Palace Chinese restaurant. Also good to know. So that's a tour of the bathroom, and again we have the lavatory behind that door and a shower over here with a big rain shower head up there and a seat. Okay, so it's Luxury Fred, and can you see what that is? Sorry you can't see the top, but that's the Eiffel Tower. And I'm in Paris at the Shangri-La Paris. And that Eiffel Tower view is what I have for breakfast here. Breakfast with a view of the Eiffel Tower. Quite nice here at the Shangri-La Paris. Yes. So wanted to give you a look at our wonderful American breakfast here at the Shangri-La. This is included with our Eiffel Tower view room, and about to enjoy it, but I wanted to give you a little view of it first. So we have some scrambled eggs, some porridge, coffee, fresh squeezed orange juice, toast, a bowl of fresh fruit, a bakery basket, another bowl of fresh fruit, hot chocolate, and another bowl of porridge. Now that is going to be a delicious breakfast, especially when our view is Paris's most famous landmark. So this is the bed, excuse the messiness. And while we lie in bed, you can see the Eiffel Tower right from the bed. Thanks for watching. You can read about my stay at luxuryfred.com or read my review of the Shangri-La at businesstravelerusa.com or in the magazine probably in summer of 2017.